Hello tech friend. In today's video I'm going to show you how to swap a Promethean panel. So as a technician, this is our job, just to swap this panel here, not to troubleshoot anything this is the old panel we have, and this is the brand new panel on the box. We will open the box, and once we open the box, take old one out, put new one in, connect all the device, all the cable, and we will be done. So estimated time is 1 hour. So let's begin. So you have to check all the connection. How is this connected? There is two cable, and there should be a power cable over there, and this is connected with this. So do not touch the other portion, just disconnect those cable, leave it there, and here is the power cable, disconnect that. So that's all the cable, and there is one button here. There is one screw here, the screw is on the side. Just after unscrew those two, it will be just come off from the frame. Now our next challenge is how to open this easily and smoothly. So it is so easy to open the box. Those there's four on the both side, to this side, to this side. So just take it out and take the top out. Now take all those out, and the new panel is out. Same way when you take the old one from the panel, we put back right the way it was. This is the work order. Match the serial number, the old serial defective serial number, and the new serial number. So you will find serial number right here on the sticker. This is the serial number. So you guys match. So this panel was with hanging on there. Every new device come with everything, but the mount, we are not removing the mount because that will take more time. Even the new panel have mount, leave it there, or other device we have to connect. So this new box come with the panel, whole frame, and this two box have some equipment in there. So this box is wireless modem. It will be gives us wireless connection for internet connection, and this is all the cable. Whatever come with it, we have to, that's the smart board. Whatever come with it, we have to connect everything, but we're not using frame because the frame is already there. Now I have to put this. Now I have to put this here. So open this up. The old one, they have this same thing, but we don't worried about the this too big. Okay, anyway. Okay. So this have a little clip. This little clip. Just put in there and put the antenna. this school using two wireless modem. This one came with the new panel. We put the new one there. The old one is not had over, so we're taking this out from the old one, and we will put that one in there. So make sure you check those things, because some, not all model are exactly same, a little bit different. So connect all the cables. That's the pin, smart pin. That's the remote control. Power cable actually already there, so we may not need to. Yeah, power control cable already there. Don't bother this. HDMI. Okay, we will leave this here with them, because every cable is already there and it's very connected, so they can use the cable when they need, all living there. Now put the cable panel back. It was on there. 1, 2, 3, 8. It was on third, right? Oops.
এটা এখন অফ করে দিবেন, আমি সহ লাগিয়ে দিই।
All you need, Phillips screwdriver. So that's the final part. We already put the new one. We match everything. After we get the panel, we're putting the screw now. After we get everything done, we are done. So power stripe was under the striker. There is a sticker. There you have to take off the sticker. You see the switch here. There's a switch and the sticker was there. So take off the sticker. I'm putting the power cable that was already wired. Okay. So that's why we're not taking the new, using the new kit wire. Okay. Yeah. The cable was connected before. Okay, now fun part. All hard work is done. Now it's fun part. Everything is connected. So it's fun begun. Right? It should be come up automatically. Everything updated. So this is fun, right? We did everything. Power on. Now we just configure. Welcome to Promethean. Choose language, English US. Continue. Las Vegas time. No, we want New York time. We are in New York. So New York GMT. Okay, continue. Welcome to panel network. So I don't have network information right now, so skip for now. Software update. Okay, need to get the accept. Woohoo! It's working. 2 p.m. now. Right? Get started. Next, 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 next. Done. 11:45 a.m. That's the time. Let me see my watch. Yes, 11:49 exactly, same time. May 4, 2022. So we are done. That's our part. When they will come, they will can connect with internet, start using. It's ready to use.